Welcome back to the channel. This is just a short video covering the replacement of the rear cabin windows. For those of you who have seen our first video, we mentioned there that we weren't happy with the non-standard windows in the rear cabin of this boat. So one of the first jobs that we wanted to tackle was getting those replaced with the correct port lights. So this wasn't a job that we fancied doing ourselves. The hull needed to be colour matched. We've not done any fiberglass laminating before, so it was just too much too early in the project for us to get involved in that. So we enlisted the help of a specialist local company. They'd done lots of fiberglass boat repairs before. They've done a lot of warranty work for Sealine, and they were very familiar with the Sealine SC35. So here is a before shot, and here is a shot of the side of the hull after the repair. So the window is completely gone, and the hull has been colour matched and polished, and there's literally no sign of that previous window. Once that work had been carried out, here you can see the hole in the hull being cut for the new port light, and then we went on to eBay and managed to source 2 new Bomar port lights. And here is the package when it arrived. So, lovely new, shiny Bomar port lights, which we bought on eBay for £150 each. So I think we'll consider that a win. We'll get these fitted. Okay, there she is, guys, and the fiberglassing guys have fitted, basically got rid of the old quote in quotes super yacht window and put the proper Bomar original fitment OEM Sealine window. They made a fantastic job. You just can't see where they've put that in, and the whole hull needs polishing, but they've colour matched it and everything. It really is, I mean, you can see that, but it really is a great job. You would literally never know. So here is the window that's been removed, or one of. So this is the super yacht window. It's got a Trend Marine stamp there, so obviously made by Trend Marine, but I've no idea which boat that would have been from. If anybody recognises this window, stick it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. I think we'll be sticking these on eBay, to be honest with you, so if anybody wants a couple of super yacht windows, get in touch. So I'll show you inside the boat and what the guys have done inside the boat. So you can see that these have been sealed in here, and then this has been laminated to the same thickness. In fact, I think it's slightly thicker than the factory hull. So I think once you've got the vinyl padding in there, that'll look a treat. And then the plan is well, we haven't fully decided yet, but we don't think originally around here there was a fiberglass moulding, a white fiberglass moulding, which we're not sure if we're going to go for that. We could reproduce those moulds so that it did look completely like the factory boat, but actually we're thinking we might go another direction, which is to have a dark vinyl pad behind there and maybe some woodwork. We've seen some other boats that have done that, and it looks really nice. We've not fully decided yet, but yeah, I think that could work quite well. So, but we'll come back to this probably in the early next year now. So at least we're watertight, and that bit of it's done. I mean, the windows, those super yacht windows, just detracted from the look of the boat. It just didn't look right. So really pleased to get those sorted. So hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, and please remember to subscribe, and we'll be back next week with another video. And also, if there are any ex-Sealine guys or anybody out there that knows any more about this boat, we'd love to hear from you. Please comment in the comment section below, and we'll see you on the next one.